Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're diving into a quick upgrade for your kitchen with the OWOFAN Black Kitchen Faucet. I'll walk you through a review of this stylish, modern faucet, share some pros and cons, and even show you how to install it yourself. Let's get into it. This is the OWOFAN Black Kitchen Faucet, a matte black, pull-down sprayer faucet designed to bring a touch of elegance to your kitchen. We'll go over the design, features, installation process, and how it performs in day-to-day use. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. Along with the faucet itself, OWOFAN includes all the necessary mounting hardware, a deck plate if you're replacing a 3-hole faucet, and installation instructions. The faucet feels solid and has a high-quality metal construction. This black matte finish is also fingerprint resistant, which is perfect for keeping your kitchen looking clean with minimal effort. Dual mode setting your kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer provides soft aerated stream and splash-free powerful spray due to its hard rubber sprayer holes. 360-degree kitchen sink faucet sprayer. The switch can be placed in every position as you like. Healthy quality. The SUS 304 stainless steel kitchen faucet. Black kitchen sink faucet made up of food-grade PEX inner hoses. Enjoy your healthy utility sink faucet. Ceramic disc valves exceed industry longevity standards, ensuring durable performance for life. High-performance aerator. Easy installation. 1 or 3-hole installation. 3/8 H&C water hoses and mounting hardware included. Easy DIY installation. Less than 25 minutes. No need plumber. Save money and time. Attention! Not included deck plate. If needed, please buy it together in our store. Pros: modern, sleek design, durable materials, smooth handle control, pull-down sprayer with dual modes, and easy installation. Cons: the faucet may be slightly taller than other models, so make sure it fits under your cabinets if you have limited space. Overall, the OWOFAN Black Kitchen Faucet is a great choice if you want a blend of modern style and functionality in your kitchen. Its design, ease of use, and installation make it a strong contender for anyone upgrading their faucet. Plus, it's budget-friendly compared to many similar models on the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you enjoyed this review. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this faucet or if you'd like me to review other kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking!